My old chair does better on grass than this thing does. Because, I mean, as I said, I mean, if you're going across grass lawns and stuff, you've got uneven surfaces and stuff, so it depends on the terrain. And it depends on how hard or soft the ground is.
Control right here. We have a simple version like this, like a mouse control.
Right.
For a startup in San Carlos.
Okay.
We're working on an autonomous chair.
Yeah.
So imagine if you're at a security gate at the airport. You know, you hit 80, 85.
Well, the thing is, there's times that I'd like to be able to, I mean, drive my chair on a regular route and save the routing in programming on the chair so that I can just hit a button and say, okay, I'm going to this location, and I mean, it'll have some sensors so that it can see when other things are around, but it can carry me to locations, and I don't have to be spending all my time fighting with the joystick and stuff.
Do you drive in this?
What?
Do you drive?
I do drive, but I don't currently have a vehicle. I get around purely on public transit, so bus and light rail.
Yeah. So imagine if you're driving, you gotta do that every day, right?
Yeah.
Go up the ramp, adjust yourself so you're right at the steering wheel.
Right.
You could automate it because it's the same route every day.
Right.
You just say beep.
Right.
Go up.
Plus the fact that when I'm recording like my 360 videos, having this help me program routes and stuff for my recordings and stuff.
Absolutely.
Okay. Fantastic.
Cool. Thanks for your interest.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
We're going to go to get more information on this website.
We're called Will. W-H-I.
Okay.
Check us out, please.
Okay, so just do Google search or is there...
Go search Top Hit.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Hello. What does your company do?
My company? Yes. When someone see in video,
I'm with thenewsbubble.com. I'm a journalist for,
Yes.
a VR website. And I'm recording the convention in 360 spherical video so that people can attend virtually.
That's great. Yeah, what we do is we stream video through our application. And right now we tailor it to the YouTube because it's video. But it can be tailored to any type of video streamer like YouTube of China, YouTube of America, or Vimeo, any of the videos that we can play from our app.
Okay.
And once we play on it, we incorporated a tag system. So basically, as a video streams, whenever you want to, you can go ahead and stop at that moment and go ahead and tag whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
So for example, this is the movie Avengers. So at 2:40, we're gonna stop, and I'm gonna write, I want the Iron Man suit. And at this point, because I tagged it, I can now share with my friends. I can let them know that, hey, this is the moment in Iron Man that I really wanted this suit. And when I share this tag with the people, they can click on it, they can come into the same video that I'm watching. And it will start exactly from where it was tagged.
That would be very helpful with a lot of what I do, because with the 360 spherical photography and video, if I'm doing like a video of like going through like Target or Best Buy or something like that, and I'm going up and down all of the aisles, people can put tag on the video and say, okay, I want this product, and they can build up a virtual shopping list and stuff.
Precisely, yeah, that's what we're getting at, because we wanted to produce so we wanted to make sure that advertisements work. So some companies that want to advertise their product could tag themselves up here too, or we can help them tag their products up here. So for example, Iron Man. If anyone wants to start Iron Man figures, they can go ahead and tag Iron Man, and then when they make a license with us, they can post their advertisement here, and they can make a transaction through that tag.
Right.
And also, we want to make sure that in the future, we want to provide big data for the companies or individuals who may be interested in this technology, so that they may be able to gather information on where the customers are wanting certain products or thinking of certain product and certain product video.
Right.
And also, what we're trying to do is we're trying to integrate our API into any of the applications out there. For example, YouTube, if they wanted to use our API into it, we can integrate it in, and we can maintain still the same UI UX that YouTube already has. And we can just integrate our API into it and just charge them for our service fee.
Right.
They can definitely use our system in there as well. And also the good thing is that, you mentioned that Best Buy sold the product.
Right.
What we allow is when you tag them there, you can even geo-tag them. So what do you find? For example,
Right.
we are in New York, and it will take you to New York, the map of New York.
Okay. And very good. Very nice. If I get a flyer,
Flyer? If you want, this is a nice bag.
business card?
Yeah. Do you have a business card? Thank you for your service.
Yeah, honored to serve. But I mean, this is something that I'm personally very interested in.
I see. Please email us and that'd be great.
I mean, with the video, are you hosting video or are you?
So we're streaming videos straight from some of the channels at YouTube. And what's really good about this system is that because we don't store any of the video into our server, there won't be any copyright issue or licensing issue.
Right.
For example, if you want to tag a VR and you're like Samsung, and you want to use a certain scene from a movie where a character is using VR, and you say, hey, VR, Samsung here. Then what happens is you may get into legal issues with that.
Copy protection.
Right, but it doesn't go through with us because we're not storing the video, we're just playing it.
Right.
So then on our application, once you maybe tag your own product to it, you won't have any legal issues for that matter.
Right. Yeah, I do. I mean, most of my videos will go up on Facebook and YouTube. I mean, so that having something like this connected with my videos would be very beneficial.
Right, definitely. Give us a message and we'll be able to
You've got my business card. I mean, a lot of the videos will be on this site here, which is the Facebook site, and then from there you'll be able to find the YouTube links.
I see. Okay. We'll definitely keep in contact.
Thank you.
So this is live streaming now, or?
No, it's not live streaming, but it's recording. It's being saved on a micro SD card because, this is recording 4 megapixels.
Okay, yeah.
So the video resolution is 3840 by 1920.
Okay.
I mean, it'll be loaded onto YouTube. YouTube, Facebook, and on the newsbubble.com, my website, in the next few days.
Okay.
And then it'll be viewable from there.
Okay. Perfect. So you're more from a media side.
Yeah.
So you will edit this one, and then you'll only put the content which is.
Well, the thing is, right now I'm doing